Wow, Blue! Look at all these animals! Some live in the jungle, some in water, some on farms, and some in the cold snow. Why don't all animals live in the same place? Do you know? I don't know either. I think we need to go to Michelle's world to find out. Come explore the world with me! To go to Michelle's world, we need Zara. And to call Zara, we need the magic words. Do you know the magic words? Say it with me. Zara, Zara, star and light, show us something big tonight.
Hi, friends! I heard someone has a big question today.
I do. Why don't all animals live in the same place?
Because animals have different habitats.
Habitat? A habitat is an animal's home. It's where an animal lives, eats, plays, and sleeps. Jungle, ocean, farm, polar, different habitats for different animals. Do you want to see them? Yes, let's go! Let's go to Michelle's world and explore the habitat.
That's my habitat. Habitat, habitat. That's my habitat. Habitat, habitat. That's my habitat. Where I eat, where I play, where I sleep every day. Habitat, habitat. That's my habitat. I'm a monkey in the jungle. Swing, swing, swing. I'm an elephant in the jungle. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Jungle, jungle, that's our habitat. I'm a cow on the farm. Moo, moo, moo. I'm a horse on the farm. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Farm, farm, that's our habitat. I'm a dolphin in the ocean. Splash, splash, splash. I'm a fish in the ocean. Swim, swim, swim. Ocean, ocean, that's our habitat. I'm a penguin in the polar snow. Slide, slide, slide. I'm a polar bear in the polar snow. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Polar, polar, that's our habitat. Monkey, jungle. Elephant, jungle. Cow, farm. Horse, farm. Dolphin, ocean. Fish, ocean. Penguin, polar. Polar bear, polar. Polar. Habitat, habitat. That's my habitat. Habitat, hey. Habitat, that's my habitat. An animal's home is called a habitat. That's my habitat.
Wow, friends, we visited 4 habitats today. Let's see if you remember. Ready? Where does the penguin live? Yes, great job, friends! Silly Blue. The penguin lives in the Arctic habitat. The Arctic is near Earth's polar regions where it's icy and very cold. Thanks for exploring with us today, friends. See you next adventure. Come explore the world with us. Subscribe so you don't miss it.